I'm here to review the bowling at Adventurepark USA. So I did the roller coasters earlier and now I'm doing the bowling. So it's like, I'm a good bowler, as you know. You've seen my Arsenal bowl videos, for example. I just got a spare there, but you see my scores here. They are not great. Now, the reason is because like Malibu Jacks, they use the strings, but also these balls, like they don't have the element of a traditional bowling ball. So like putting spin on it is a lot harder. So yeah, but like it's still fun, and honestly, it's like having to relearn it. That can be kind of fun on its own. And look, they're working on pin setters. That's something that is always cool to see. Yeah, didn't expect to get a look inside the pin setters for the worker to put up bumpers. And I missed. So there you go. So it's pretty fun, but like if you're a good bowler traditionally, and hey, it has the old school rollback like what Arsenal has, but hey, like if you're a good bowler, don't assume you're going to be good at the mini bowling. That's the lesson, I guess. Like there you go.